Hello and welcome. We are using UptoSix Phonics app to practice reading, blending.
Read the word and tap the correct picture. Ought, ought, ought.
Caught.
Caught. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
If your child is just learning to read and spell, and you are searching for a phonics teacher, download the UptoSix Phonics app first.
Read the word and tap the correct picture. Ought, ought, ought.
Hot, hot, hot.
Hot. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Hunt. When children learn the phonics sounds, it becomes very easy for them to read.
The word and tap the correct picture.
Lips.
Lips.
And the advantage of using the UptoSix Phonics
Tap the correct picture.
app is children can listen to the sounds again and again, and they learn the perfect sounds and they can blend and read.
Elk. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
You can download the UptoSix Phonics app and try it for
And
free.
tap the correct picture.
Elk.
Elk. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Soft, soft, soft.
Soft.
Soft. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Endless practice. A huge database of words.
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Clip.
Clip.
Let's practice expert level.
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
C and K together make only one K sound. Brick. Brick. Sorry.
Brick.
So I pressed the wrong one.
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Tub.
Tub. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
By learning the phonics sounds, children can read any word. This is a long one, but a 4 years old can read if he or she learns the phonics sounds. Clog, clog, gram, kilogram.
Kilogram.
Isn't it nice?
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Drum,
At.
pet.
At.
When we teach children phonics, we focus on the skill of blending. We don't see how many sounds or how many letters are there in a word. It's not we first do 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters, not like that.
Read the word and tap the correct
Anything
picture.
children can read if they know the phonics sounds and if they practice blending. Salad.
Salad. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Run.
Run. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Slim. If you have not downloaded the app, UptoSix Phonics app, download it now and try it for free. Slim.
Slim.
And every day 10 minutes practice with the app and you will see how your child is reading and spelling. I'll show you spelling too. Spelling week, the method that we use to spell, we call it segmenting. Segmenting means breaking down a word into sounds. That is called segmenting.
Can you spell rust?
Rust. We have to break down the word rust into sounds. First sound. Rust. Rust.
Rust. Can you spell list?
List. List.
List. Can you spell rust?
Suppose I make mistake.
Tap here for help.
This is for help. It will decode the word for me. It is saying the sounds. Now I can try.
Rust.
It's like
Can you spell club?
your child's personal phonics teacher. Club. Club. Club.
Club. Can you spell mud?
Mud.
Mud.
UptoSix Phonics app. If you have not downloaded, download it now. Limp. Limp. Step by step learning. If you don't know phonics, no problem.
List.
It has chapters. What you have to teach first, what you have to teach next. Everything will get in this. List.
Can you spell hat?
Hat. At. Hat.
Can you spell slam?
Is the first sound, right? We can hear slam. Is the final sound. Sorry.
Tap here for clue.
I made mistake. So
Slam.
she's helping me. Slam.
Can you spell rust?
So to spell, we need to break down a word into individual sounds, right? We need to identify the individual sounds. But children cannot identify all the sounds at once, right? So we need to play this kind of games to prepare children. Like we have game in each level. Let me show you one.
UptoSix Phonics.
I
Tap on the sound that popcorn begins with.
So what we are doing here, we are not asking children to identify all the sounds in the word. We are asking them to identify the first sound, like popcorn. What is the first sound in popcorn?
Tap on the sound that newspaper begins with.
So we are preparing children for spelling. Newspaper.
Tap on the sound that alligator begins with.
First, we are asking children to identify the first sound, and after, while spelling, they have to identify all the sounds.
Sunflower begins with.
Sunflowers.
Tap on the sound that infant
Infant.
begins with.
I is the first sound.
Tap on the sound that tree begins with.
Tree. What is the first sound? T.
Tap on the sound that insect begins with.
So this is identifying the beginning sound. Similarly, we have identifying the final sound or ending sound. This is more challenging. But this how
Tap on the sound that wagon ends with.
we are preparing children for reading and spelling.
Tap on the sound that wagon ends with.
Wagon, the final sound. Okay, identifying the final sound is little difficult, little
Tap on the
tricky.
sound that glass ends with.
Glass,
Tap on the sound that rope ends with.
rope. We hear the p sound last. Though the spelling is R-O-P-E, but E is the not final sound, right? E is not final sound. Final sound is rope.
Tap on the sound that bus ends with.
Bus, s is the final sound. So this is how we prepare children for reading and spelling, and then practice blending, segmenting, endless practice with the app. So if you have not downloaded, thousands of people are using for different countries worldwide. If you have not downloaded, you are missing something. Download the UptoSix Phonics app now and try it for free.
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
And if you want to unlock all the features, you need to pay only one time. Dig.
Dig. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
10.
10. Read the word and tap the correct picture. 10. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
When children learn the phonics sound, it becomes very, very, very easy.
10.
And without learning to read and
Read the
spell,
word and tap the correct picture.
children will struggle with all subjects, right? If they cannot read and spell confidently, they will not able to express themselves. They will not able to learn the other subjects. So we must build a very solid foundation in reading and spelling. Net. Yes?
Read the word and tap the correct picture. Egg.
Pig.
Pig. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
An expert level will practice.
Egg.
We have 2 levels in each set.
Egg.
Rim.
Rim. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
In expert level, we have little longer
Ag.
words.
Ag.
When children learn phonics, we don't count how many sounds or how many letters are there in the word. We focus on blending, drag. If children can blend, they can blend any number of
Read
sounds.
the word and tap the correct picture.
So we develop the skill of blending.
Est.
Pest.
Pest. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Dam. So it will not end.
Dam.
It will keep coming,
Read the
endless
word
practice.
and tap the correct picture.
You don't have to think which words I shall give my child to read. And if you download or buy the phonics cards, that will also not help unless and until you learn the phonics sounds. So that's why the app interactive where children can listen. Listen and learn, okay? On a printed thing, children cannot listen, right? Then how they will learn to read? Stand. So download the app
Read
and
the word and tap the correct picture.
thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Download the UptoSix Phonics app. That is the name of the app, UptoSix Phonics app. and try. Set 1 sounds you get free forever. So try the set 1 sounds, try blending, segmenting the games, learn the sounds, and if you want to unlock the other sets, then you need to pay just one time. No monthly subscription, no yearly subscription, use forever. Okay, so thanks for joining. I'll see you in our next live. Don't forget to follow my page. If you are not following, follow the page so that you get notification whenever I post something. Bye. See you soon.